In a snowy mountain village lived Ivan, a quiet boy who loved crafting. He created things from twigs, jute, pin needles, whatever natural offered, but he rarely showed his craft to anyone. He lived alone with his mother, who worked long hours to support him. She always told him, Ivan, your hands carry magic. But Ivan had stopped believing it. The village had ground cold, not from the winter, but from people forgetting kindness, warmth, and Christmas spirit. One week before Christmas, a terrible blizzard hit the village. Power lines fell, light went out, and darkness swallowed the street. People stayed inside, cold and hopeless. Ivan looked out from his window and whispered, Christmas will disappear this year. But then, while searching for blankets, he found a dusty glass jar in the cupboard, a jar his father had once used to store small craft materials. A memory flashed in his mind, his father saying, Light does not come from electricity. Sometimes you create it with your own hands. One gathered twigs, pine cones, dried berries, and leftover jute rope. He cleaned the jar, wrapped it in jute, glued pine cones around the base, and tied a small twig star on top. Inside, he placed a teeny candle. When he lit, the light flickered gently, then grew, shimmering like a warm snowflake. The glow reflected on the forest window and lit up the whole room. His heart thumped. Maybe this light can help someone else. Ivan stepped outside with the lantern. The storm was furious, but the lantern did not go out. Its glow seemed to push back the darkness. He walked house to house, hanging the lantern on doorknob. People opened their door, surprised by the warm light. Children whispered, Where did the magic lantern come from? Ivan did not say a word. He just kept walking with his bag full of jar. A lantern spread through the village. Something unexpected happened. People began to come out of their homes. Families gathered in the snowy street, carrying the glowing lantern in their hands. Old Mr. Rowan said, The light is feel alive. Children danced around his warm glow. Mother hugged each other, relieved to see their town unite again. Someone shouted, Who made these? But no one knew. Ivan hid behind a tree, watching quietly, his heart full. Then suddenly a soft voice behind him. Ivan, you did this? It was his mother, tears in her eyes. The villagers gathered in the town, secure holding the lantern high. They decided to decorate the entire village using one idea to create pine cone ornaments, jute wrap, berries woven to a light star. People who had not crafting in years picked up twigs of ribbons again. Laughter returned, warmth returned, Christmas returned, and at the center of the square, the mayor placed Ivan's first lantern on a tall wooden post. He declared this lantern saved our Christmas, where darkness tried to settle, a childcraft brought us light. And so, in our winter darkness, one handmade lantern lit up an entire village. Ivan learned that even the simplest craft made with love can shine brighter than fast, fear, cold, or emptiness. This Christmas,